If you're currently thinking about buying the Amazon Echo Show 11, then this video is for you. I'll quickly summarize everything you need to know about it, what actually matters in everyday use, and whether I personally think it makes sense at around $220. And without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Let's begin with the price, because honestly, that's what most of us care about first. Right now, the Echo Show 11 costs around $220. And for a smart display, that's not exactly cheap, but it's also not completely crazy. You have to remember, this is not just a small Alexa speaker with a tiny screen. This is an 11-inch smart display, and according to Amazon, over 10,000 units were bought in the past month. So clearly, a lot of people are interested in this thing. The biggest upgrade here is obviously the screen. You get an 11-inch Full HD display, or more precisely, a 10.95-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. And this actually matters because on a device like this, the screen is the whole point. You can use it in the kitchen for recipes, in the living room for smart home control, or on a desk for calendars, video calls, music, weather, and quick information. And compared to smaller Echo Show models, the bigger display simply makes everything easier to read. Now, is this a replacement for a tablet? No, not really. And is this a replacement for a TV? Also no. But that is not really the point. The Echo Show 11 is more like a smart home screen that is always in one place and always ready to use. Another important feature is the sound. Amazon says the Echo Show 11 has a room-filling spatial audio with a 2.8-inch woofer and 2 full-range drivers. And of course, we have to be realistic here. This is still a smart display, not a full home cinema system. But for music in the kitchen, podcasts, YouTube through the browser, Prime Video, Netflix, or just general everyday use, the sound should be more than enough for most people. Now let's talk about the smart home features, because this is where the Echo Show 11 becomes more interesting. It has a built-in smart home hub with Zigbee, Matter, and Thread border router support. And honestly, this is very useful if you already have or plan to buy smart home devices like lights, plugs, sensors, thermostats, or cameras. You can control everything with your voice, but also directly on the screen. And that is the advantage over a normal Echo speaker. Sometimes tapping your screen is just faster than talking to Alexa. The Echo Show 11 also has 13-megapixel camera with auto framing, which is useful for video calls. If you call family members often, or if you want something for the kitchen or living room where people can quickly jump into a call, this makes a lot of sense. But of course, not everything is perfect. First, Alexa Plus is one of the big selling points here, but you should know that full access requires either a Prime membership or a paid Alexa Plus plan. So don't just look at the device price, also think about the ecosystem you are buying into. Second, this device works best if you are already using Amazon services. Prime Video, Alexa, Ring cameras, Amazon Music, smart home devices connected to Alexa. If you use these things, the Echo Show 11 becomes much more useful. But if you are mainly using Google services, Apple HomeKit, or you just want a simple screen for YouTube, then honestly, this may not be the perfect device for you. And one more thing, privacy. Amazon includes microphone and camera controls, and you can manage Alexa privacy settings, but at the end of the day, this is still a smart speaker with a camera and microphones. Some people are completely fine with that, others are not, so that is something you should decide for yourself. So, who should buy the Echo Show 11? If you want a larger Alexa smart display for the kitchen, living room, or office, and you already use Alexa or other Amazon smart home products, then yes, this is a very interesting device. You get a large full HD screen, better sound than smaller models, a good camera for video calls, and a real smart home hub built in. But if you only want a cheap Alexa speaker, then this is overkill. And if you don't care about the screen, you can save a lot of money and just buy a regular Echo speaker instead. At around $220, I would say the price is fair if you actually use the screen and smart home features. But personally, I would watch for discounts. If this drops closer to $180, I think it becomes a much stronger deal. So my recommendation is simple. If you're already in the Alexa ecosystem and want a bigger smart display, the Echo Show 11 makes sense. If not, I would think twice before spending $220. If you want to check the current price, scan the QR code or use the link in the comments. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.